Collard Greens TV. We're here with an update video on the collard greens grow. This is week 4 of the collard greens grow. As you guys see, they have got much bigger, including those 3. Those 2 were up top last week. They started off slow, but they're starting to kind of take off. But these other ones have really started to take off. They're really looking good. I'm gonna move these out of here next week. So next week on week 5, you will see them outside. I have a black container that I sit them in and sit them on the back porch so I can start hardening them off so they can get some wind. The weather has changed here, so I'm looking to put these outside probably week 7. So week 5, week 6, I'll have them out back. So probably even week 6, I might even get them in the ground. But this is an update video on the collard greens grow. Everything's going really good. The stems look really good on them. Foliage looks really good. I don't have any complaints. But again, week 4, collard greens grow. We will keep you updated week by week. Next time you see these, they will be out of the light room and outside, hardening off. Again, it's Collard Greens TV. Hit the subscribe button down below. Yay, yay.